friends, welcome back. So as you can see in the title, I am gonna give myself curtain bangs today. So I actually have pretty big plans for my hair, and I wanted to see if curtain bangs would even look good on me. So as you can see, I've already styled it and it would be with the curtain bangs to see if I like this middle part situation. So I haven't had a middle part since middle school. So I'm jumping on the trendy bandwagon here. But as you can see, it's not quite centered because I have this cowlick and it just kind of goes that way. But I did put a story thing out on my social media to see if you guys liked it or not. And everyone said yes. So I'm committing. Here we go. So it's gonna be an interesting time. So this is what the before is. So I'm gonna go wash my hair and then we're gonna go start cutting.
Okay, so I realized that my new bathroom has this super obnoxious loud fan, so I'm going to do a voiceover. So I started with parting my hair down the middle, and I did a really good job at getting it centered, and then for some reason, I decided that I was going to ruin that and part my hair to the side slightly, because in the moment I thought that was going to look better. So I am an esthetician, but I'm not a cosmetologist, so I actually have no idea how to cut hair. But I watched a few Brad Mondo videos to figure out how to do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is part my hair down the side in front of the ear, and I do that with both sides. And once I finally figured that out, I took one of the sides and moved it straight over to the other side. And I wanted a more layered effect, so I tried to get it straight over and cut down, which I didn't do a very good job at that. So, and the one piece didn't want to stay, so we'll figure that out later. Oh, and here I'm attempting to feather the ends with my craft scissors, like that's gonna work. And then I just do that same thing to the other side. And now I'm checking to see if it's even, which, spoiler alert, it's not. So I spend the next 10 minutes trying to cut and feather it evenly. Not sure if I ever get it right, but close enough. So remember that piece from earlier? So I decide I'm going to attempt to add it into my curtain bang by pulling it over, and I should have just put it into the frame of the face, but here we are. Now that I finally give up on that, I go in and frame the sides, which I end up doing 3 times. This whole process took me forever because I am very indecisive and again have no idea how to cut hair. So now that I finished the curtain bangs, I decide to section my hair so that I can put some layers in. So basically I'm lifting sections up and cutting to create the layers, and I do that through each section. Again, this is something I saw in a Brad Mondo video, so I hope I'm doing it right. And once I'm happy with all the layers, I'm going to style it. So I'm going to start with blow drying it, and then I'm going to curl it. I have really thick hair, so I usually section my hair in layers for this and start from the bottom. If you guys would like a video showing you exactly how I curl my hair, let me know in the comments and I will do that. Okay, so now I have to figure out these curtain bangs, and as you can see, I have no idea how to freaking style these things. So after many attempts to curl and straighten them in different ways, I brush out my curls and decide that I need to add even more layers. So I take the next 15 minutes to cut and mess around with this because my hair is so thick and it sticks up because it has so much volume on the side. So I'm finally happy with it, and here is the finished look. The one side still doesn't want to cooperate, but good enough.
All right, friends. So it's been a couple days, but I wanted to do a makeup look with the hairstyle. I did change the way I styled it a little bit. I kind of really like it flaring out a little bit more, just because it's kind of out of my face and because I don't know how to get this side to cooperate with me right now. So it's so used to being on the other side that it wants to I don't know, it wants to be weird. So this is a new style with the hair. I put it with some makeup. I will have the video showing you how to do the makeup next week. So make sure you hit the notification bell to check that out. And I hope you like it. I can't turn around because I'm holding my phone. But here it is. Here's the look. All right, so I'll see you guys next week with this makeup look and then more exciting things after that. So I will see you next week. Bye.